Hi everyone, welcome back from the BIM Agent Studio. So in this video, I want to show you the second content of views and selection basket of the Solibri. So now we go to the right corner to use the views. So click the views. So far 3D info and monitoring views are grayed out because we already used this view. So okay, here we can see the here we can maximize and dock or close the view. So I went to close, and then info view also I went to close. Then I go back to the views, and then click the monitoring, and then I went to dock on the user interface, and then I'm going to adjust. After that, open info views again, and then dock, and after that put below of the monitoring. Alright, so this time I click the wall. Okay, when I click the wall, we can see the information of this wall on the info views. Alright, in the model tree, we can see different hierarchy. Currently, it's using containment hierarchy. Expand the archy, we can see OA office building. OA is the short name of this project of this model. The next hierarchy is component hierarchy. That is collecting every element based on the category. The next is a layer hierarchy. So this also collect element based on the layer. The last one is federated floor. We can see based on the floor. Alright, this time I'm show you with the selection basket. Okay, currently I click on the ground floor, then I click this S sign. The S sign is add to selection basket. Then we have to click equal, so this will set to original basket. So right now we only can see the ground floor. If you want to see the other floor, we can use show and select the transparent tool. Okay, if you only want to see the ground floor, then show select only, and then the last one is show all. Okay, and after that I move back to the component hierarchy. This time I select the column. So I also went to add the selection basket. This time, before I add to the selection basket, I went to remove and clean my selection basket because I just add the ground floor to the selection basket. So how to check? I click on the show selected only. So this means my selection basket has same selection. So right click and then go to the selection basket, and after that empty selection basket. Okay, one more time, go right click and selection basket. This time remove from selection basket. So this means we don't have any selection in the selection basket. Alright, now click to the show all. This time I want to add column to the selection basket. Okay, then click the plus sign and then equal sign. So right now we only can see the column. We cannot see clearly because column is white color. So I want to add the red color to the column. So select with color, then add the red color to the column. Alright, so now we can see column with red color, and using show and selected transparent, the rest element became transparent, and then show all. Even I using the show all, the column is still the red color. So if I went to remove the color, go back to here, and then remove paint from selected component. So now we get back the original color. If you accidentally remove the basket, all right, okay, I show you again, and then I select the column to the red color again. Okay, this time I accidentally remove from the selection basket. So this means I right click, and after that go to the selection basket and empty selection basket, and then one more remove selection basket. Okay, so this time we don't have any element in the selection basket. So when you show all, we can see our column with the red color. So this time you cannot remove from here, and back you can remove from the remove paint from the visible component. So when you click this way, so we will get back the original color of the column. Another option is you also can add a column to the selection basket again, and then we can also remove paint from selection component again. Alright, so this time I went to remove selection basket from here, then click remove from selection basket, and then show all. Alright, so this is how model trees and info view work in the Solibri, and how to use selection basket in the Solibri. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video for user interface and model tools of the Solibri. So bye bye.